Come on. Good morning, social media. Break bread's jet black sugar pup. First dog walk today. We're just bringing her out for her morning empty. So it'll be a short stroll. Hopefully it'll be a short stroll. Hopefully she get out here and drop that package for me, so I can get back to everybody else. I still gotta bring Chula out. It's my life right now, man. I got a few dogs in the house that are normally outside. So I gotta bring them out and walk them. You know what I mean? I walk dogs pretty often anyway. But when in the house, they gotta get walked a couple times a day. Dang, I'm out of pocket for that. So it's Jet's turn right now. I was walking Jealous Girl yesterday. So we walking. I see these two dogs. One of them on the leash, the other one loose. Now the one loose looked like a bully or something. It was all white. The one on the leash looked like a game dog. And that motherfucker was hot. The person holding the leash had to be a 9-year-old girl. Dog damn near dragging her. But I'm gonna give her this. She handled the motherfucker. She damn near sat down because she wasn't letting him go. Or letting her go. It was the female. If it ran over there, we would have definitely had some action. Because I had Jelly with me. And she's all for it. But I brought that up to say, even though she did do a pretty good job, that's dumb as hell to have a 9-year-old girl handling a hot young dog. At one point she had fell down, but she didn't let go. She never let the dog go. I give her that. She was dead serious about holding on to that dog. Oh, I hear a dog almost getting this truck. Jet, chill out, girl. I know, girl. So we'll walk down here, across the highway. Probably walk down the block. Come on back to the yard, to the house. Take her in the house. Let her chill in the house, loose for a little while. Then I'll lock her up. Come on. Jet. You better quit biting that loose, bro. Jet Black, come on. Come on. Shouldn't be even looking at them little ass dogs. They outbidded us on that house, man. We was looking to buy that house. It's only one block from the house we already own. So that was like ideal for us. We ended up buying a house one block over and about 30 blocks up. Let me see. 32 blocks up. 34 blocks up.